Welcome to TechTricks Tutorial, your go-to channel for exploring the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. Today, we have an exciting highlight, the ultimate AI video generator, which is Pika. Prepare to witness the power of Pika as we delve into its remarkable features, making it the top choice for content creators and business alike. So get ready for an immersive journey into the world of AI-powered video creation with Pika. Now let's get hands-on with Pika. To begin your Pika journey, head over to the new Pika platform on Discord. Once you're there, you'll have the access to Pika's powerful features. Let's explore how to create captivating videos step by step. So you'll just need to join Pika's Discord server. You can start by going to their website, which is pika.art. Once you're there, just click on Join Beta to join the official Discord server, where you'll find all the necessary tools and resources to get started. So you'll just need to type or paste your script into the designated text channel on Discord, where Pika's AI engine will analyze your content and bring your words to life with dynamic visuals. You can choose from various video styles to match your content goals and add specific prompts to define the mood and pace of your videos. Let's try a quick demo to see Pika in action. Imagine you're a travel blogger and you've written an exciting article about your recent adventure in a breathtaking destination. Now let's transform that article into a visually stunning video using Pika on Discord. So you'll just need to input the text and select a video style. Well, look at that! In just a few simple steps, Pika has transformed our written content into a captivating video. The seamless animations, engaging transitions, and natural voiceover is making it ready to share with your audience across various platforms. Image to video. If you have a series of images, you can use Pika's image to video conversion feature to create engaging slideshows or presentations. You'll just have to simply upload the images to the designated image channel on Discord, and Pika's AI will handle the rest. So here's a demonstration on how to do it. Let's take it up a notch with image to video conversion. Let's see how Pika on Discord can help you just do that. So here's a live demonstration. Amazing! So with Pika's image to video feature on Discord, you can easily create a captivating product, showcasing it in no time. The smooth transitions and stylish overlays gives your product presentation with extra edge, making it a must-watch for potential customers. Pika allows you to use specific prompts to define the mood and pace of your videos, adding an extra layer of control over your creations. In the designated text channel, you can add prompts like upbeat and energetic to infuse your video with the right emotions that resonate with your target audience. Pika's intuitive prompt system on Discord is a game changer. By using prompts, we can tailor our video to match our brand's tone and messaging effortlessly. For image-based videos, you can add text overlays and annotations to enhance storytelling and engagement. With Pika's image prompting on Discord, you can add informative text and engaging call-outs to your images, making them more impactful and informative for your viewers. And now that you've seen Pika in action and explored its impressive features, let's take a moment to compare it with other existing AI video generators. While others perform well, Pika truly stands out with its exceptional capabilities. Starting up with flexibility, Pika boasts remarkable versatility, accepting both text and image inputs to craft stunning videos effortlessly. Whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or a business owner, Pika caters to all your video content needs. Just convert written content into captivating visuals or create eye catching product advertisement, Pika has you covered. We also have naturalness. Unlike some robotic sounding tools, Pika's output is strikingly natural and fluid. This captivates your audience with its lifelike voiceovers and seamless animation. Thanks to its advanced natural language processing or NLP and deep learning technologies, your viewers will be engaged like never before. We also have customization. Pika values your brand identity and uniqueness. With extensive customization options, you can tailor video styles, tones, and voice to reflect your brand's personality. Choose from a wide range of templates, fonts, and color schemes, making every video a true representation of your brand. And also, we have AI powered editing. Pika's intelligent editing capabilities set it apart. Say goodbye to complex post production work as Pika automatically refines and polishes your videos, delivering professional quality content in no time. To summarize, Pika stands as the ultimate AI video generator, offering flexibility, naturalness, customization, and efficient AI powered editing capabilities. From bloggers and social media influencers to businesses and educators, Pika empowers us users to create compelling videos that captivated their audience. Pika empowers users like us to create compelling videos that captivated their audiences. Thank you very much for joining us today, and if you found this demonstration helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest AI technologies. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you on the next video.